traders, thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3.5 years now, and what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, especially moves like you're seeing as the backla for silver. And I also give you guys any trading potential opportunities, as you can see from the back, any trading ideas, trading predictions that I personally believe in, and also planning to take on the day. So if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. Guys, you gotta give me a moment, okay? My friends arrived to my house, so I'm gonna go and bring them up first, and then I will get back to you. So just give me a few minutes, okay? You guys just watch the chat for me, huh? I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Enjoy the music first. traders, I am back. So I need your help, because yesterday's live stream, when I played on my TV, I started to realize the sound was actually terrible. So I'm not so sure now how the sound is. So just give me a moment before I share with you guys any trading opportunities we have today. I just want to make sure the sound is playing out correctly now. Give me a moment. In my phone it sounds well but I'm not sure if it's really off or anything you guys just please let me know, okay? So then I will try my best to figure out because I'm not doing anything different. Okay, wait, something is blinking. A moment. Okay, is it any better right now? Yeah, so far looking good right now. Just now I was blinking, so maybe it's better now. Okay. So it sounds good right now. Okay. So traders, let's continue in today's live stream. So first off, I will be starting off on the forex side. As usual, we will do updates first. So starting off with silver. Uh, you guys can see that I actually, to be honest, I never predicted the move might go this high. I did predict at least to this target level. Okay. Unfortunately, I didn't get an entry for silver. The reason being is because you guys know me, okay, I love my zone so much in trading. So when the price actually gave that respect, not really respect, but price actually broke towards the upside. When we went down, right, we never really managed to come close by to the zone. Okay, just because of this reason, I did not find an entry opportunity. Nevertheless, I would still consider this as a success trade, considering our bias was towards the upside. So that's for silver. Okay, so again, like I said, we go updates first. NZD USD. So this one is still playing out. It went close by to the SL range. Okay, this one, but then we still shooting towards the upside because bulls are still quite present in where this zone here. Okay, see this zone. So bulls are still present inside of this level. This is the reason why also we're starting to see a very powerful push towards the upside. We did take out our first TP target. So for any of you that have potentially entered NZD USD and also studied with me the reason behind why we are focusing on buys in this certain zone, congratulations. Okay, I really wish I didn't get out of the trade for this one. If you guys remember, the reason why I got out of this is because I did set a buy limit order. For those that don't know what buy limit order is, essentially, hi teacher, hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. So essentially, a buy limit order is when price comes to a specific level that you set, basically a line, okay? If you set for buy or sell, you will be automatically entered into that trade. So that is essentially what I did. Why I got out of the trade, even though it looks good. You guys may ask me, right? Now it looks good lah, because we cannot really see into the future. But at the time, okay, pairs were currently present. Okay, just let that sink in. This is the reason why you can see price actually went down quite low, almost towards the SL level. Okay, and then bears start to shoot. Sorry, bulls start to shoot in again because it came back inside of the zone that was dominant by bulls. Right now, we are bullish again. Okay, that's a good news. Right now, we are bullish again, definitely. I am considering to re-enter this trade. Okay, but there is still quite a bit of a level to go. Let me show you where. Okay, sorry about the so many zone. Okay, let me remove this just for a while. Okay, so this is the level. So I want price to come inside of this level, show me a little bit of trading, where I want price to trade within this zone a little bit, and then reactions towards the upside. So definitely these are the two targets that I will still hold because bulls are still present. Okay, this is just personally what I believe in, and I will just wait for price to actually come inside. If it does, okay, if it does. You see, like silver, it didn't come inside the level, okay, it didn't come inside of the zone, but we shoot all the way towards the upside. Still consider successful trade. Okay, so Euro GBP. Okay, Euro GBP is another successful trading opportunity. Price went all the way, okay, towards the upside. I highlighted this opportunity yesterday, okay, during our live stream. So if any of you guys had participated or actually went through the trading analysis which we shared yesterday, congratulations to you. This is a beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I think it could have went 1 to 3. Yes, it would have went 1 to 3. Okay, but 1 to 2, I was happy with it lah. Okay, so congratulations to any of you guys that have also participated in this trading opportunity. Hi Mel, very good evening. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay, so that's for Euro GBP. Moving on, Euro USD. We focused on a bullish opportunity, but we were waiting for a 10 o'clock candle to close. Yesterday, when the 10 o'clock candle closed, we were already bullish. Okay, but why I didn't enter any potential trades for Euro USD? Simply because I slept really long today. Show you guys. I have data for it. I don't want to just lie. Yeah, I slept for 10 hours and 3 minutes yesterday. So I slept so long, too long. Okay, so personally, I missed out on this trading opportunity. My bad. Okay, this was my bad. I, this is why they say, no, don't oversleep. Okay, oversleep, you can miss opportunities. This is a very clear example. Okay, this is the only reason why I didn't enter for USD. Nevertheless, if any of you guys were joining the live stream yesterday, again, congratulations to you. Okay, so we move on to Euro CD. Euro CD. Okay, so I did a screenshot for this. Okay, we are successful. Trade is moving towards the upside. We did take out our first TP target already, but why I took the screenshot is I want to highlight a new potential zone. Yesterday I said currently we are bearish and the zone may not hold. That's exactly what happened, traders. So you see, okay, market was coming down right within this level. Look at this. Market pierced this zone. Can you see? Okay, when it pierced this level, it's considered the zone is invalid already for me. But we still continue moving towards upside because overall our bias is towards the upside. That's why we have targets above. So that's for Euro CAD, and this is a new potential zone. Even though the first target has been taken out, I am still seeing bulls in the market. So therefore, I am essentially waiting for price to probably give me the opportunity to come back to this level so that I can find my re-entry opportunity, given that bulls are still present when price comes back to this zone. So definitely we have to wait and be patient for that to happen. But there are opportunities, like I said today, I will share with you. Okay, so USAD also a successful trading opportunity. I still feel that price can move higher towards a second target or even more, but we will have to wait and see. Okay, so Euro NZD. For Euro NZD, this is why I want to highlight it because we saw that this was moving in a sideways momentum, right? Interestingly, when price broke below, I thought, okay lah, you know what, maybe bears are right now present. Immediately, we went back inside of the zone and then we are still going in a sideways momentum, traders. So this trade has not exited the sideways movement. Please stay away from Euro NZD for now. Wait, CADJPY. Nothing much because we already hit our target. CADJPY. Euro JPY also is very good bullish opportunity. Okay, we continuously moving up. Okay, this is the opportunity, I think. Yeah, this is the opportunity. So I am focusing on a potential bearish opportunity for USD CAD. Basically, I'm focusing on sales and I do have targets listed below. Definitely, you guys know me lah. I will wait for price to come back inside of the zone. Okay, show me that respect whereby bears are present and they have interest to move price towards the downside, and then I will find my potential entry opportunity. I also have set alarms for this, and I'm essentially right now just waiting for price to play out. Okay, I'm not doing anything else. Neither should you guys. Okay, our bias is towards the downside. If it goes before coming back to the zone, just leave it. Okay, just leave it. We can find many more opportunities. This is not the only opportunity. That's for USD CAD. Okay, GBP NZD. Bulls are present as of now. Okay, I'm essentially waiting for a zone. So essentially we were bearish. Okay, we did move down, but there was no entry opportunity. But right now, bulls are present. I don't see an available zone. There was one. Let me show you. Okay, there was one here. Okay, you can see price. Okay, this was a zone, but it got demolished. Okay, when price returned to this level, it demolished the zone. That's why I say it had a zone, but is no longer valid. If you want to see the very good zones, right, there's one right here. This is a very good one. You can see. If we go back to the front, you can see it. Okay, see price is respecting this level. If you know how to identify zones, right, you don't need to check behind to make sure, oh, is the zone accurate or not. The moment you draw in one section, you pull back, sure, it'll be accurate one. Okay, there's a very simple strategy on how to do that. So you can see this is the only zone now where I can consider that price is respecting that level for a bullish momentum move towards the upside. Okay, so I will leave this zone here. I am essentially waiting for a new one to populate in the market. Why I'm waiting for a new one is because if you look carefully, we were essentially very bearish. Okay, you can actually look at it. It's quite clear. Essentially, we were very bearish in this market. Does that mean that we will continuously stay bearish? Definitely no. We can, we can. We never know exactly what can happen, right? But from my point of view, if the market has been, not is, the market has been bearish for quite some time, it would be fair, okay, to let the market move a little bit first, breathe, basically let the market breathe if he wants to make a move towards the upside. So imagine if someone is running in the field or in a park, okay, not running, walking. Okay, let's say someone used to walking around the field and around the park. Let's say he's been doing this for quite some time. If one day you ask him, okay, now try jog around the park, it's not necessarily it will be difficult for him because he already built that some stamina and also some leg muscles considering he has walked countless of times around the park for months maybe. Okay? But if you ask him to jog, it's a different type of difficulty that he will face, right? Because even though it's the same park, even though it's the same thing, essentially it's still exercise, but it's a different type of movement, right? So he can do it, but it may take a little bit of time to get used to it. So that's what I'm saying. I just use that concept whenever you guys are training. So if the market has been going down for quite some time, give it some room to breathe first if you believe the market will be moving higher. It's not necessary that you have to capture the exact peak, the exact point, okay, in trading. You can be successful by just allowing the market to flow. Okay, so that's what essentially I'm doing. I am seeing bulls present, I am seeing a clear zone present, but I'm also am seeing that we were bearish for quite some time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let the market breathe a little bit and then potentially find entry opportunities. Today is Wednesday, right? Traders, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, yeah. So I can still find opportunity either tomorrow, which I not prefer during New York session, but tomorrow or next week. Okay? So still a good thing. So that's for GBP NZD. GBP CAD, I do have my alarm set here as you can see because I am focusing on this potential buying opportunity. Oh, sorry, I didn't write. Okay, let me write it down for a while. Give me a moment. Okay, bullish opportunity. Okay, so this is a bullish opportunity. If you can see price is reacting beautifully, it is coming back to the zone. So essentially what am I looking for? Price to come back, show me interest in bulls prior to making a move towards the upside. Okay, so this is what essentially I'm interested in for GBP CAD. Now nothing to do much lah. Considering now it's only 7:48, New York session opens at 9:30, right? So we do have quite some time to kill. Let's just wait and see how price will react. Of course, when price come to this level, I will reanalyze again. I won't simply enter. I told you guys, all of my zones are not areas that I will right away enter the market. If I do that, that is essentially gambling. I'm not doing that. I will wait and see if really bulls are present or not based on how the market reacts. If the market reacts, then I will react as well. The market does nothing, guess what? I will do nothing as well. We do have one more, I think. This one is the update, you guys. AUD/JPY went beautifully towards the upside as our prediction. Where is it? I remember I marked 3 before I did the live stream. Okay, so this one there is a bullish opportunity. Essentially, I am waiting for a zone. The zone, let me see. Let me just confirm. Okay, you know what? We're not actually bullish right now. So this one I didn't update. Okay, so never mind. So this one right now we are not bullish. So I delete this first. Essentially right now we are bearish, but overall the picture is telling me that we are bullish lah. Okay, so this one let's wait until tomorrow. I'll update you guys for Euro AUD. This one don't focus on Euro AUD first. Where is the trader? Let me check. My alarms can check. Oh no, sorry traders. I actually said two only. I thought I said three. So GBP CAD and USD CAD. So these are the two opportunities that I am essentially waiting for price to play out today. This is for the forex side now, of course. Alright. I personally, I'm sorry again, I didn't go through the crypto space. Okay, maybe we can go through one. Huh? This one is highlighted yesterday, whereby we predicted the sideways movement and we hope it would break out. It did beautifully, and then bears are present, and we can see price did beautifully move towards the downside. Okay, let's go BTC lah. Since BTC is like a major pair, right? Okay, so BTC did the same thing. We do have targets below. Let me just check for a while. Okay, so far, okay, we are bearish. Okay, we do have a zone here, as you can see. Okay, you can see this level being as a zone. Okay, there are selling opportunities for BTC, so I may potentially focus on this as well. Let me see if we have closer targets. Yeah, definitely we have closer targets here. Always go for the closest liquidity range, traders. It's just my opinion only. I'm not correct by any means. This is just my personal opinion. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Okay, let me show you. Price come back inside this level, trade a little bit, and then show me bearish momentum moves towards the downside. So essentially everything we do is just waiting. Okay, this is not my entry again. Okay, I'll just give you guys BTC opportunity for today, for the selling opportunity. We can put 1 to 3. Okay, we can go 1 to 3. I don't see it as an issue. 1 to 3 or 1 to 2, it depends on how price will react. But if we get a good entry and it's within this target range, then we can go 1 to 3. If it's the entry, maybe we get a little bit lower like this, then let's just go 1 to 2, as long as we are close by this target range now. Okay, this liquidity range. Okay, just arrange it. Okay, so essentially, let me set up alarm for this one. Okay, so essentially we have three main potential opportunities today. Again, for crypto space, because we go through BTC only, my apologies. BTC, we are focusing on potential selling opportunities. GBP CAD, we are focusing on potential buying opportunities. And then USD CAD, we are focusing on potential selling opportunities. But none of them we should enter, okay, the moment they come inside the zone. Remember this, huh? The zones are just there to help us understand there is a probability of a certain form of reaction may occur in the market. Not will, may occur in the market. It is our job as traders to be very patient and see how the market will react when it comes into those zones. If we're focusing on bears, we should see more bears come out in the market when they go to the zones. If we're focusing on buys, we should see more bulls. Remember this simple concept, it could change your trading journey. Okay? Essentially, if you think nicely on all the things that I said, right, it's just patience. That's it, nothing else. Okay, nothing special, it's just patience. Okay, traders, so I think I end the live stream here. I have very good friends that actually came over the house, so I want to accompany them and then spend some time with them right now. So essentially, this is also a trading opportunity. Okay, so I will be focusing on this for potential re-entry for NZD USD for buy. So essentially we have 4 lah. Okay, that's why essentially I was thinking, hey, we had 3 one, yeah. So NZD USD, I'm focusing on buys, not yet. Okay, I need to wait for price to come back inside this zone here. Let me remove this again so you can see. Come back inside this zone, show me interest of bulls, and then I may re-enter for NZD USD. Okay, so NZD USD, GBP CAD, USD CAD, and BTC. Okay, traders. So I hope today's live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. Also, do let me know, traders, really anything that you guys would like to learn in the next upcoming live stream. Maybe something you guys are struggling with, that I'm not really aware of. I'll be more than happy to break it down in my point of view and give you guys my personal and honest opinion about it as well. I love to do it, okay, for you guys. You guys just have to let me know in the comments. Also, do give a like to this video if you haven't already, which will truly help the channel grow, and subscribe to the channel. We do live streams like this Monday to Friday where I give you guys free trading opportunities that may be appearing in the market. Most importantly, is just for you guys to learn and grow as traders. That's my only goal. Really, that is my only goal. If you guys would like to learn how I do my personal analysis, what is my trading strategy, my risk management plan, and so much more, I do have my own personal 6-week course, so something that took me 3.5 years to learn. You guys can do exact same thing in less than 2 months time. So if that sounds interesting, you guys can reach out to me. I do have my WhatsApp link in the description below. I also have my Instagram handle if you want to send me a message there or follow me. Okay, I do post content there as well, which I believe you might enjoy. I also kind of a comedy in time to time. If you guys like to laugh, you can follow me now. Okay? I forgot also to add my TikTok handle. I promise I'll do it yesterday's live stream. I forgot. So I will make sure I include that in today's video and yesterday's video, which you guys can follow my TikTok also. Also funny stuff and more about trading there. Okay, traders. So I wish you all such an amazing and beautiful rest of the day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you all very next live stream. Stay safe, everyone. Very good night. Goodbye.